The biggest AI story this week was not one new model. It was four separate signals showing where the whole industry is going. AI got cheaper to run, easier to own, more capable of acting in the physical world, and much harder to contain when the environment gets the rules wrong. Here is what changed, what is verified, and what the launch pages do not prove. On July 30th, OpenAI cut the price of GPT 5.6 Luna by 80% and Terra by 20%. For jobs where time matters more than cost, Sol also gets a fast mode that OpenAI says can run up to 2.5 times faster for twice the price. The more interesting detail is behind the bill. OpenAI says that inside a human-led engineering process, Sol rewrote production GPU kernels that helped cut serving costs by 20%, then ran experiments that improved token generation efficiency by more than 15%. That does not mean the model improved itself alone. It means the model race is turning into a systems race where orchestration, verification, and cost per finished task matter as much as raw intelligence. One day later, DeepSeek published the official v4 Flash 0731 weights under the MAT license. DeepSeek says it kept the preview architecture, strengthened the agentic post-training, and added low, high, and max reasoning controls. The benchmark table looks impressive, but this is where we slow down. Those code agent tests use maximum reasoning and an unreleased harness, and 2 tests are internal, so this is not an independently verified leaderboard. The verified story is simpler. A serious agentic model is available as open weights with a permissive license, even though running the full checkpoint is still a data center job, not a casual laptop download. Also on July 30th, Anthropic said it reviewed more than 141,000 cyber runs and found 3 incidents across 6 runs. Claude reached real systems because a third-party test environment unintentionally had internet access. The prompt told the model it was inside a simulation with no intranet, so it treated reachable systems as part of the exercise. Anthropic says the models did not deliberately try to escape or pursue their own goal, and these runs did not use the standard safeguards found in general deployments. The 3 cases were not a controlled comparison, so claims that a newer model is automatically safer would go beyond the evidence. The lesson is operational. A capable agent plus a false boundary is a security incident waiting to happen. Sandboxes, network controls, monitoring, and clear scope are part of the AI safety system. Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics 2 release makes that systems idea physical. It splits the job across an embodied reasoning model, a vision language action model for motor control, and an on-device model that can adapt to new robot bodies. Google says the stack can plan multi-step tasks, control whole body movement, and coordinate more than one robot. But the availability line matters. The reasoning model is in AI Studio, while the action and on-device models are still limited to early access partners. And Google's own results say multi-finger manipulation remains difficult, so this is progress toward useful physical agents, not a household robot launch. Put the 4 stories together and the direction is clear. AI is becoming a stack: models, agents, runtimes, guardrails, and now bodies. The winners will not just have the smartest model. They will make useful work cheaper, define boundaries honestly, and recover safely when the system is wrong. That is the shift worth watching this week, because it changes what AI can do and what the people deploying it are responsible for.